All right, ladies and gentlemen, I know you talked about net ionic equations in lab, but I don't think we ever did it in lecture. It's not that bad. Write the complete ionic and net ionic equation for the following reaction. And we should be balancing this thing first, unless it's already balanced. And it's balanced. 1 lead, 2 acetates, 1 strontium, 2 chlorine. Good. Now, when you want to do the ionic equation, you basically just need the ions. So, this is not for credit, but guys, if you're not doing the ions, you're not going to do these questions very well. C2H3 is one we're supposed to know. C2H3O2? Because the lead, I don't know. Lead's not one I'm supposed to memorize because it always needs a Roman numeral. We need to figure out this Roman numeral. Okay? Or do we? It is balanced. But I do need the ions. It says I need an ionic equation. Right? So if C2H3O2 negative, there's the ion for acetate, and there's 2 of them, that's 2 negatives, correct? 2 of them will give 2 negatives. Lead must be 2 plus. You better write down lead 2 plus. So I did need my ion. I am going to say I do want states. It wasn't in the original here, but I do want states, phases, states, same thing. Okay, so if it says AQ in the reactant side up here is aqueous, you write aqueous for every ion. In fact, if an ionic compound has AQ after it, both ions are dissolved in water. Oh. Oops, didn't need the color change. Now, where'd this 2 come from? The work was already done for you here. You know there's 2 acetates. So when this thing breaks apart, it's going to break apart to 2 acetates right there. And strontium chloride, Sr2 plus, second column of the periodic table. Second column, dissolved in water, because I'm told it was. 2 chlorides, dissolved in water. React to give 1 strontium dissolved in water. Plus 2 acetates dissolved in water. Yeah, these ionic equations. It says ionic equation. Complete ionic, they're long. And sorry about that. 2 acetates. Also dissolved in water. You can't break down PbCl to its ions. How do you know that? It says it's a precipitate. It's not broken down into its ions. It's a piece that stays solid. Pb, you copy it. PbCl2. S. And you're going to love the net ionic equation. You're going to simply love it. Watch what I do. I got to shrink it some more. I think just watching me do the net ionic equation is going to teach you what a net ionic equation is. Did the Pb2 plus change going from the left side to the right side? Did it Did it become something that wasn't PB 2 plus AQ at the end? Yes. I need this. Okay. My dream has been shattered already. Let's see what I got. I didn't even get everything. Wow. Yeah, I can live with that. I'm just gonna grab the pieces I need. So I don't need X. You think they're the same, huh? That piece changed. I need it. Acetate did not change, although I made a mistake and it looks like it changed because it looks like the anion lost its charge. That is a mistake. It did not lose its charge. I forgot that minus, which means I forgot that minus. Is there a change from here to here? No, I do not include this in the net ionic equation. It did not change. Did strontium change at all? It began as strontium ion dissolved in water. It ended as strontium ion dissolved in water. It did not change. It does not show up in the net ionic equation. Did chloride change? It went from chloride ion to being part of a precipitate. Yes, it changed. I need the chloride ion. No, don't copy it from there. It won't let you. No, I'm having a nightmare here. I thought I saw something. Just the pieces that changed. And what did they change into? This one I will be able to copy, I'm pretty sure. Done. How do you do a net ionic equation? Yeah, you find the precipitate and only give me the ions that made it. And it's already balanced because we had it balanced to start with. Yeah. Come on, is net ionic equation hard? No. Complete ionic has the ions dissolved in water and precipitate. Net ionic has only the things that made the precipitate. Piece of cake, right? Get rid of this extra work down here. And call that a video.